Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a peach truffle. Now this is a great coffee drink. It's one of my favorites actually. So you're going to want to make sure you have your hot coffee ready and your coffee mug clean and good to go. And really simple ingredients. We're going to be going 1 part of peach schnapps. We're using Peachtree. It's probably the most popular brand. It's the original brand. You can find others out there. I'm not really too positive of their names, but if you want to switch it up to a different brand, go for it by all means. And then our other ingredient is going to be a white creme de cacao, and you're going to go an equal part on that, so a 1 count as well. I'm sorry, a 1 ounce pour as well. Not a 1 ounce pour, equal parts. We're going to go for 3/4 ounce of each, or a 3 count. So we can do this together, and it'll just be 1, 2, and 3. So we got 1.5 ounces, our desired pour, and then we're just going to top the rest of our cup off with our coffee. So a really nice chocolatey peach flavor, as the name suggests, a peach truffle. And then personally, I always like to add a nice layer of whipped cream over top with a maraschino cherry, maybe a freshly sliced peach if you have it, but our recipe doesn't call for it, so we're just going to leave it as is. And that is our peach truffle. Enjoy.